Hi, my name is William Socialbartono, and today I'll be going over LibNet. And this is essentially a program that allows you to use computer vision to figure out how to transcode certain dimensions from your lips in order to read them and to text. So some of the authors include Yannis Assel, Brendan Schillingford, Shimon Weitzen, Nando D. Freitas. So first, I'm just going to give a little bit of an overview of LibNet. So that includes the introduction. Of course, in the introduction, we're going to have some look at the problem statement, as well as the approach that kind of became this, and also just a general domain of it. Next, we're going to go over the spatiotemporal classification, which is a little bit different than the CCNs typically used in computer vision. We're also going to be look into gated recurrent units, the connectionist temporal classification, the grid corpus dataset, as well as the experiment, and finally the demo. So a little bit about the introduction. So lip reading is the task of decoding spoken words or sentences solely from a speaker's lips without any input. So you can see on the picture on the right, we can essentially have no audio and still interpret what they are saying. So looking into a bit about the demo here, we can see the output of the program from the actual video. What is been read at S9 again, so we can see that it is transcoded into text. And yeah, that is kind of pretty much the demo. And going back to the actual demo, after the demo, we have some comments. In this project, I learned how to work and implement LipRead with data pipelines. Of course, LipRead is already an established program, so I learned how to actually use the program, as well as learned what convolution neural networks were. Again, as a disclaimer, I did not implement a majority of it, but I looked into and worked into, and also just wrote the code in terms of knowing what goes in terms of the input, how it works, how the model is being trained, and also working with TensorFlow. So yeah, that's pretty much the presentation. Thank you guys so much for viewing. And also here are the references. If anyone is graduating, I hope you guys have a great graduation as well as great futures. Again, I want to thank Professor Jia for teaching us this semester. And yeah, thank you guys so much for viewing.